In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bend a line in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a straight line into a smooth curve using Canva's built-in controls, without any extra tools or complicated workarounds. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design is on the screen, click directly on the line you want to bend. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue bounding markers around it and the editing toolbar appears across the top of the screen. If you don't see the toolbar, simply click the line again to make sure it's active. With the line selected, look up to the top toolbar and find the option for line type. This is where Canva lets you switch how the line behaves. Click line type, and from the menu that appears, choose curved. The moment you do that, Canva converts your straight line into a line that can bend. Now focus on the line itself. You'll see a small handle appear right at the midpoint of the line. This is the curve control. Click and hold that middle handle, then drag to bend the line. Pulling the handle outward increases the curve, while keeping it closer to the original line creates a gentler bend. If you drag above or below, you'll curve it in that direction. If you drag across, you'll flip the arc to the other side. Move slowly and watch how the curve responds so you can land on a shape that looks intentional and clean. If the curve doesn't look quite right at first, that's completely normal. Release the mouse to preview, then grab the same midpoint handle again to refine the bend. Small adjustments go a long way, especially if you're matching other elements in your design. Zooming in can make fine-tuning easier, and pausing for a moment after each move helps you see how it fits with your layout and text. Keep in mind that the line's original length and angle influence how dramatic the curve appears. Longer lines will create broader arcs, while shorter ones feel tighter and more pronounced. If you find the curve too subtle, drag the handle farther from the center. If it's too strong, bring it closer. Once you like how it looks, you're done. Your straight line is now beautifully curved, ready to highlight sections, guide the eye, or add a stylish flourish to your design. That's all it takes. Select the line, switch the line type to curved, and drag the midpoint handle to bend it to your liking.